Alright guys, so I'm doing some work on my truck's tailgate. So I have it off at the moment, and when I was in Walmart I saw this Bully brand full-size tailgate nut, and I was always curious about these, and since it was only $17.98 I figured I'd give it a try and see how it works. So let's take a look. Comes with some mounting brackets, some instructions, and the net. Let's see how it goes on. Alright, so it's going to be about 9 inches on center that we're going to want the holes drilled. Now, in order to drill these 9 inches on center, like the measurement of the net would indicate, you're going to need a little over 18 inches, and it indicates that you should mount them like this on your pickup truck, but mine doesn't have 18 inches of room, so I'm going to have to mount mine over here in the front. I got to drill those holes, and it says pilot hole drill with a 3/32 inch bit. So that's what we're going to do. You know what? In my opinion, there's no excuse not to have self-tapping screws. So that's what I'm going to use along with the washer on each. See how simple that is compared to tapping it with a 3/32 and then I mean, it was so simple. I don't know why just one screw each. They don't gotta, doesn't make any sense to me. I don't like how this is turning out, so we're going to do something a little different. See how it's drooping, because they don't provide you with any measurements in the instructions, so you have no idea if this is going to happen or not. Alright, so now that I had to move those because there's no measurements in the instructions, I have these holes to contend with that I have to rush treat. So let's try this again. There we go, that's better for sure. Alright, now that I finally got it installed, it doesn't look too bad. I think the installation process was way too complicated for what it is. The instructions aren't detailed enough, they don't have any measurements in there. There should be some measurements, because you think based on having these adjustable straps that it's just going to be able to cinch up and fit pretty well, but that's not the case. You got to measure which section you put it on to make sure that it's going to fit without drooping, as you saw. Another thing, I don't know why they put screws in there that you have to pre-drill for. It doesn't make any sense. Self-tapping screws are pretty cheap. You could just include self-tapping screws. It would make this so much easier. Another thing about this that I could see being a future problem is these buckles that are holding it are plastic, and they seem like a pretty cheap plastic. I don't know how those are going to hold up, especially in the sun's rays. We'll see. Obviously this thing isn't going to hold any significant loads. That's not what it's meant for. But even if you have something light, the plastic could get brittle enough to break if something were to slide and run into it. Of all the things, the instructions are the one thing that isn't going to be super expensive to add a few extra lines with measurements and whatnot to help you out. It doesn't make any sense. So if I could say one thing, it's fix the instructions on this thing. Alright guys, let's be honest, I was a little bit annoyed about how that thing went together, but overall it looks good, and that's the whole point of bed nets anyways. For $17.98, I think it was, from Walmart, it's not a bad deal. Just be aware that you're going to have to do some measuring yourself, and I don't know how long it's going to last. Again, what can you expect out of a $17 bed net? So I hope you found this review useful. If you have, please go down below and hit like. Feel free to subscribe and click that bell so you can get notified when I have more videos out.